Morning with Shay. I'm here for a really quick video. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the Pow. If you take a second to subscribe, also make sure you smash like button. Support your girl, of course, hype your girl up. I hope the lighting is not too terrible because I'm parked on the street waiting to get Josiah from school. And so I'm going to share with y'all my 10 off of 50 deal that I did on my Target account. But I did want to let you guys know that Justin hit me up yesterday to let me know that check it out with Michelle's channel. Her YouTube channel got hacked. And the people that I've had this happen to, it's always like a really hard time getting your channel back. So I'm praying that she gets her channel back. But in the meantime, she did start a new channel. So I'm going to link her channel in the description. I want you guys to all go over there, show her some love, help her rebuild her channel. Because, I mean, I don't know what I would do if this happened to me. I mean, the thought of starting over for me is just really daunting. And it's really depressing. And so, go over there, show her some love. I'll also remind you guys again in my Walmart video as well, for those of you who don't watch Target videos, I have a pretty awesome little transaction that I did at Target with my 10 off of 50. Some of the deals are the same. I just added in a few extra items, which made it even better. So without further ado, we're going to head to Target. Well, I already did. It's going to be a voiceover, so it should be really quick. And so with that being said, we're going to head to Target. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what you got to do, hit the like button and keep on watching. And hype your girl up. All right, guys. So this first deal is on the Pure Zero. They are priced at $9.59. We're going to grab two of them. The total is going to come to $19.18. We do have a $4 digital that'll come off, bringing that total down to $15.18. And then we're getting back a buy one, get one free offer, or $8.99 from Ibotta. There's also 755 buy-in scan kicks, which is 302 from Shopkick for each one, bringing them down to only 7 cents each. Next up is the Colgate 360 toothbrush, priced at $4.79. And for this, there is a digital, but I decided to not use the digital and go for $3 back on checkout 51, as well as $3 on inbox dollars, bringing this down to a $1.21 moneymaker. And of course, we're doing the Palmolive again. Price at $2.79. I'm only grabbing two though, so I'll pay $5.58, getting back $4 on inbox dollars for buying two. There's also $1.10 on checkout 51 as well for one, bringing them down to 24 cents each. All right, next up is the Tide Rescue. It's on sale for $3.99. You can also grab this deal at Walmart, but Walmart is $4.97, and we want to get it the cheapest price, right? So we're grabbing one at $3.99. We have an offer on Fetch Reward for $2.50 back with a limit of 3. It's going to make it kind of, sort of, almost, sort of, kind of, might be $1.49 each, which is definitely not a bad deal. And of course, this is the deal I said I wasn't going to do anymore, but you guys have been, yes, Buck.
I'm going to make this the least obvious.
Okay. But you guys are so awesome, and you keep using my referral link, so I have no choice. Like, and this flavor right here is bomb. All right, so it's priced at $8.99. I have a referral that's making it free for aisle. For you, it's $3.50 back, and it does work on the smaller bags. I believe Target has them priced at $4.19. And so if that interests you, I'll have a link in the description, or I'll pin a comment. Last but not least is the Yassos. Absolutely love these. Not a big fan of the coffee one though. I love me some coffee, but I just don't know if I'm feeling a whole coffee ice cream Greek yogurt / situation. But anyway, so I'm definitely doing this deal again. Price at $5.49. Went ahead and grabbed two of them. You'll pay $10.98, getting back $8 on inbox dollars for buying two. You might have $9. I only have $8, but I ain't complaining. Plus $1.25 on checkout 51 for buying one. It's gonna bring them down to 86 cents each. And with that, I'm sold. All right, y'all. So really quick. This is my complete haul for today. Super small. I ended up doing a separate transaction for another bag of the Wow with 2 more of the Tide, because I was really close to cashing out on Fetch. But originally I was just gonna grab just one. And so, and let me tell you, this flavor right here, the Korean sweet and spicy, is fire. I've already eaten 3 out of 4 of the other bag that I got in my last haul. Really, really good. I got the last 2 bags they had today. And so I'm gonna try to be really, really quick with this. So let me show you my receipts really fast. Focus, man. Okay, the top one is the first transaction. That's the one where I had the 10 off 50. There goes the digital for the pure 0. And then the second one, I just grabbed the 2 Tide and the Wild again. And so everything worked out good, all right? The Palmolive and the Yassels went straight through on inbox dollars. The Colgate, because it's a manufacturer offer, it did go into review. My receipt for checkout 51 is still processing. For this transaction, I submitted my receipt to inbox dollars first because I'm getting more back on that app. And then the receipt for the Pure Zero one shop kick, it picked up both items. That was perfect. Tide worked perfectly fine on fetch. So the 10 off of 50 transaction was $53.51 minus the 10 off of 50 and the $4 digital. I paid $39.51, and then getting back 15 from inbox dollars, $8.99 for my Ibotta. Aisle was $8.99. Shop kick is $6.04. Checkout 51 was $5.35. Fetch reward was $2.50, getting back $46.87. It made the 10 off of 50 transaction a $7.36 moneymaker. Once I added everything all together, it all still ended up being free plus $4.38. And so I thought this was a pretty cool, easy deal. What did I want to mention? I just got credit back for the Molly suds I did at Sprouts like last month. I had to put a ticket in. They said, okay, we'll be issuing you payments shortly or something like that. Nothing. That was on the 4th, nothing. And I had to hit them up again. They sent me another email. You'll be getting payment shortly. And then it came yesterday. So, and it was $17.99. So if you're not, keep track of when you, I always know when you ain't, well, if you know when you get paid, you got to know when you ain't getting paid. So if anything I don't get paid for, I have no issues with taking it back to the store with or without the receipt. As simple as that, because if it wasn't for the rebate, I wouldn't get it. So if something doesn't work out, it's going back to the store. When you're new to rebating, couponing, it's easy to eat a lot of losses when you're first starting off. But when you gets to be, serious about it, don't eat the losses, because the losses ain't worth it. You know what I mean? And so I was prepared and ready to take back the Molly suds. I also did get credit for the Good Wipes as well. Mine's took 10 days. With Aisle, the last receipts that I did, it took 2 days. So hopefully things are starting to move a little bit faster. And so with that being said, as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. In the comments, you made it to the end. I want to see a letter 5. And I will see you in the next video.